Okay, guys. This is what I'm currently looking at for the week as of now. As you can clearly see, the weekly candle, the previous week closed very bearish, and we are on a weekly time frame. So the first thing I'm going to be looking at is probably at this level right here. We're gonna be looking something around here where we can be anticipating a pullback into somewhere here for a continuation down, and I'm equally looking at this level as well. So I'm going to put my tool like this. So above at this level where we had the body open, this is the weekly body open right here, which is also above the 50% line. If you look here, this is the 50% line right here, and this is the body open, weekly body open. So I'm going to start observing, and I'm going to start looking for sales around here, and also from this point at this area as well. I'm going to be looking at sales, very important. And I can go down as well as looking at this week, but which is, something that unless it doesn't reverse around here, adding with the news that we have, so we can have something like this, or something like this, both here, right here. But we might not just pull back immediately. We might still, drop a little. I'm anticipating, okay, maybe we might drop down to this will be our first. This is my first target down here. Once we run this low, which is a strong point of liquidity, and then I can start looking for reversals, which is very important for me and for my boy. So, and as I was saying, we can drop down a bit before we start pulling back up as well. So you can keep that in mind as well, instead of just looking for pullbacks immediately. But as we all know, the week has already closed, so we can start looking at reversals, pullbacks deeper, pullbacks up before to look for sales. But it is what it is. We keep an eye on it. So if we go down to the daily candle, okay, daily candle, which is it looks pretty good. Yeah. So at this level, we have something like this. This is our second candle, and we have, looking at our daily structure itself only, we have this as well. So anywhere above, as from here, so in case I'm looking for sales with respect to the daily structure, anywhere as from here, so I'm going to be looking as from here, but here we haven't reached at least 50% of the daily candle, so I'm going to be looking for something deeper inside here to sell. If in case I'm selling at this level, I'm going to be looking for something deeper. I'm not going to sell here because it is at a premium, so I want to see something at a discount, which is up here. Anyway, as on 50% above is discount, but this is at a premium right here, which is an imbalance, daily imbalance at a premium. So I'm going to be waiting for something deeper, unless I start seeing some sort of sell, very strong sell momentum around here. That's when I can start looking for sales. But unless otherwise, I'm going to be looking for something deeper right here. Okay, so if we look here clearly, we have this is our weekly structure right here. Our weekly structure right here, and as you can see, we have this was our line right here, imbalance. On the weekly candle, we have some sort of internal imbalance as well as from here around these areas. So it's just good to keep an eye on them, and don't forget we are on the daily time frame as well, which is very big. So you can just keep an eye on them going down to the 4 hours. Going to the 4 hours. Now we can narrow it down. We have our imbalance here as well. From here to here. Let me draw it out. From here to here, which is at the discount of the daily. So as a daily trend, the weekly trend. If we measure this right here, is at a discount, so it's a good area for sales, which I said on the weekly time frame. So at this level now, we're looking for some sort of maybe a push down. At this level, we're looking for some sort of a push down, maybe into something significant to the left, or we'll be looking at the key figures to the right, to see if we have something significant where we can react off of it and then pull back before we start pulling down. So that's what I'm going to be looking at in the following coming week. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be looking at. On the 1 hour, just if you follow your trend, basically follow your trend on the 1 hour. We still have our imbalance here, So if this is a new low, then we can. If this is a new high, then we can expect probably a new higher low right here, lower high right here. Sorry, before we can continue. But yeah, that's what it is. We're going to observe. It's time for observation now. We do what we do, and then we leave the rest now for observation. We'll see what London brings tomorrow morning. Yeah, you guys take care.